Most people look at this and see loose change. They're wrong. This tiny piece of metal could be worth thousands, but if you don't know the story behind it, you're just handing your money to a scammer. Today, I'm showing you how to hunt for the real deal and connect with buyers who actually respect your find. No fluff, just the hunt. I recently saw a comment from one of our viewers who found something incredible, but they were terrified to sell it. They were worried they'd get cheated. And honestly, they were right to be worried. In this episode, we're cutting through the noise. We're not just talking about 63 rare coins, we're talking about your treasure, your history, and how to keep it safe. The biggest lie in the coin community is that you need a special connection to sell. People think they need to know a secret guy in a dark room. That's how you get ripped off. The reality? The secret connection is actually public, verified, and much safer than you think. I see it every day. Someone finds a potential 1943 copper Lincoln cent or an old 29 1 peso coin, and they rush to list it on Facebook Marketplace. That is the biggest mistake you can make. When you sell a raw, ungraded coin, you are at the mercy of the buyer. You are gambling with your history. This is where the safety shield comes in. If you have a find like this, your first step is not a buyer, it's a grader. PCGS and NGC are the gold standards. They protect the history, and more importantly, they protect you. A graded coin is an asset. It has a verified serial number. When you take a graded coin to an auction house like Heritage Auctions or Stax Bowers, the mystery is gone, and the price is clear. You aren't just selling old metal, you're selling a certified piece of history. I have a quick question for you all. B or C, drop your answer in the comments, and I'll personally reply to everyone who chose the right path. If you found a coin like this today, would you hold on to it, sell it raw, or get it graded immediately? Comment your answer below, and let me know where in the world you're watching from. Let me know your choice in the comments, and I'll personally reply to everyone who picked the right path. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of the global coin hunt. We're tracking down the world's biggest mysteries, one coin at a time. This hunt is just beginning. Your next treasure might be hiding in a desk drawer right now. Stay safe, keep hunting, and I'll see you in the next one.